In this lesson, we want to explain capture settings. Open the software, click File menu, and then open Capture Preferences to open the window. As you can see, there are 3 tabs in this window. In the General tab, run snagit when Windows start. Snagit software opens automatically when your system is turned on or restart. There are 2 display modes for software. Only capture window is displayed or with a widget at the top of the screen. When activated and hit OK, and as you can see, the small widget is at the top of the screen here. Okay, back to setting. In the snagit temp section, you can select 2 modes, dark and light, and automatically check for updates. You receive the update when comes. And another tab, capture tab. Hide snagit when capturing. When we want to capture the page, if the software itself and its editor page are open, they will all be hidden so that they are not visible, and we can capture our screens. Show magnifier to display magnification mode when capturing. As you can see, when we capture, this is the magnifier. Then we can zoom. Okay, back to the settings. Automatically start video recording. Automatically start recording when you select an area in your record mode. Show video countdown option. The reverse number 3, 2, 1 is to prepare for recording. This option show that. Show quick control in full screen to display a small control when recording in a full screen mode. As you can see, if we go into recording tab and start recording, here this is a small control that we display. Okay, escape and going back to the setting. Okay, you can determine the quality of the video recording in the different modes: very low quality, medium quality, and high quality that is recommended. Scale capture down to Full HD option. When you use large monitor more than Full HD, it considers and capture down the scale to Full HD to reduce the file size and handle more easily. Enable webcam option when you want to use your webcam. Hotkey tab for set shortcuts. For example, if you want to show or hide snagit, you have to use Ctrl plus Shift plus X, and you can change it. Or for example, for video capture stop, you must use Shift plus F10. And if you want to go back to the previous setting, simply restore settings.